Go round and around and around. No, don't swing her by her feet. Don't swing her by her feet. Don't swing her by her feet. Okay, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. That makes me nervous.
Oh, Mom.
But you can do it the other way.
Ready?
Ready? Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Look at Grandma. Look at Grandma. I'm gonna break your neck, kids.
Just let her go. She's not going to break her neck. She's tumbling.
Now let her do it. Yeah.
What about that, Ava?
Let her do it. That's how her muscles work. Yay!
Yay!
Now take her butt.
Yay!
Try again. When she gets something just right, take her butt. Yay!